pleasant good day to my prospective employer. I'm Asinet Briones and I'm 46 years old. I'm from Philippines and I'm widow. I have one daughter. She's already 27 years old and married. She have two kids, ages of 3 years old and 1.5 years old. I've been working in 4 different countries such as Abu Dhabi, Qatar, Kuwait, and recently in Hong Kong. I've been working in Abu Dhabi with 8 people, 1 couple and 6 kids, ages of 17 years old, 13 years old, 10 years old, 9 years old, 6 years old, and 5 years old. My duties are cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, and taking care of the kids and then helping them for their homework. In Qatar, I serve 5 people, 1 couple, and 3 children, ages of 6 years old, 5 years old, and 2.5 years old. My duties are cleaning the house, downstairs, ironing, taking care of the kids, and then feeding my 2.5 years old baby, and then bringing them at the school. And then ironing the clothes for them. In Kuwait, I serve 7 people, 1 couple, and then adults. They are almost 20 plus the ages of the adults and 1 couple. My main duties are cleaning the house, helping my co-worker, and then helping her while she is cooking. I'm helping her to washing the dishes, and then ironing, and then washing the clothes. Recently, in Hong Kong, I served 1 couple and 2 babies, ages of 7 months, and my madam, she's getting pregnant again for second baby, and then I'm taking care for a newborn baby. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, washing, and then taking care of the babies. To my prospective employer, if you hire me, I'm a hardworking, I'm trustworthy, I'm obedient, and then I'm working with no supervision. I'm hoping that you will hire me soon, and thank you, my prospective employer. Thank you.